So, welcome to Fiddlecode. So you're new. In this tutorial, we show you all about Fiddlecode and how to use it, and how to code with it, and how to host your project or website for totally free. There are no requirements for starting to code on Fiddlecode, but if you want to publish your project to the internet under 13, you need your guardians or parents' approval. So, let's get started. This is the current uh, Fiddlecode homepage. So, in this video, there aren't many things on Fiddlecode yet, templates and one service, because it's still in alpha version. First, we go on the service tab and go down and select the service 2 option. So, you see this text. This is a H1 element and this is a P element. Now, and these are 3 buttons. Edit, which you can edit this code, and copy, which will copy all the code to your clipboard, and delete, which will delete the test code, and this is the save button, which puts it back here. So here you can edit your code and create a new code. It's already created, so don't worry about it. And that's basically all. Just I gotta show you the templates. Templates. And I'm back on the services tab. Now we're going to templates. And this is the first template. It's only one for now, but we're working on more. And this is the little mini browser and iframe with a game website template. And this is a 3D image, and this is a button. So there are plenty of options here to host your code, and this is a template you can get on all of this services. And that's basically all. We're going back to the home page. Don't ignore this thing text right now. We don't need it. It's basic. And yeah, there is a blog for hosting features on Fiddlecode that will be linked in the comments. So now, goodbye.